Hello everyone, this is the random channel Eli here, and today I am at my grandmother's house, and in this back porch is a 42-inch Hampton Bay Littleton ceiling fan. Um these fans are not outdoors, so the blades are a little bit droopy, but not as bad. This fan is going to get replaced by my Hampton Bay gazebo, and once that gazebo is up along with the drywall, I will let you guys know. And and I am going to save this fan and restore it. Alright, then I'll show you with the light. So here's the light. The pull switch got pulled out of that fan, so he had to do all this to make it work. It used to have this it used to have this CFL in it, but I took it out right away and replaced it with an LED. So here's that. Alright, and now we're going to start the fan on low. Don't mind the background. Anyway, here's low. Excuse me. Like I said, don't mind the background. So this fan is in pretty rough shape, but all I do is just clean it and put new parts in it, and then this fan will be good as new. It blows good air. Excuse me. It blows good air. It wobbles a bit because it's saggy. So alright, then we'll go to high. The reason why I'm pulling out is because that thing fell down. So I'm surprised that this fan still has good bearings though. And it does well because that mounting box is loose. And I'll try to show you with the light again without pulling out the wires. Alright, and then I guess we could do the 3 speeds on reverse. Alright, I'll be right back. Alright, and here's all the 3 speeds on reverse. And this fan is in a rental property as well. Yeah, this is a rental house, so. Excuse me. So yeah, this fan runs good. medium. And like I said, this fan is going to get replaced by my Hampton Bay gazebo as soon as the drywall gets put up. And then once the drywall gets put up in the gazebo as well, I'll make a update video. Wait, did I do medium? Yeah, I think I did. Anyway, here's medium. This fan doesn't run as fast. I wonder if the capacitor or the bearings are failing on it. Anyway, here's high. Here's high. So yeah, this is why you install indoor fans outside, whether it's an open porch, closed-in porch, or anything. Outdoor fans do not belong outside, so that's why my gazebo is going right there. And the blades are not really that sagged on it, so I don't know. I'm just gonna get new parts for it by buying a new unboxed Littleton. Before I turn it off, here's the light again. Try not to pull those wires out of it. Here's the light. Alright, then there's off. And I'm not gonna do spin down. Alright, thanks for watching.